Crypto.com is bringing us an airdrop this holiday season. This is what we're going over today. How excited we're gonna get an airdrop from Crypto.com. I'm gonna go over all the details. If you like what you see, my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Feel free to subscribe, check all my airdrop tutorial. Let's get started with the Crypto.com holiday spirit airdrop. Let's go. Yeah. So what do we have? Let me make this bigger, guys. Let me make this bigger. Tonic, tokenomics, and airdrop. Okay, this is what we're getting. We're gonna get Tonic coin. Let me just read it so you can get excited as I am. A brief overview of our plans for Tonic, TONIC, the government's token for tectonics, and details on how it will be distributed to the Kronos community. Okay, let's keep going. Our tectonic lava cores are overflowing as our mainnet launch nears. A lot of you in the soon community have been asking when Tonic, so this post should help to finally address this. This is a super cheap airdrop to get in, like 10-12 bucks. Insane. We're gonna get insane rewards, hopefully, from Crypto.com. Let's keep going. We are excited to announce the next milestone for the Tectonic protocol. We will be launching the Tonic government's token in conjunction with Tectonic launch mainnet. How to get Tonic? This is the key. Step 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just kidding. If you like what you see, sure. We've made it really simple for you to get your hands on some juicy Tonic. Okay, so what can you do? Liquidity mining. Earn Tonic bonus rewards paid out per block for supplying liquidity and borrowing from the protocol. Once the Tectonic mainnet goes live into the public after the alpha period, more on this will be explained. So that's option 1. We are going over option 2. Airdrop. You can get it through an airdrop to VVS token holders that will happen in January 2022, just around the corner. What does it mean? You need to hold VVS coin. We're gonna get into that, and not a lot of money to invest in that at all to get paid. This is crazy good. You may be wondering why we have decided on the approaches above. As long-time builders and users of DeFi, we understand that the heart of every success protocol is strong community. In that spirit, we haven't done any private pre-sale, decided against doing a sale. Tonic tokens, rather a portion of Tonic supply will be airdrop to VVS token holders and stakeholders. This is us. We have decided to partner with VVS Finance due to its large growing community. Ever since Kronos mainnet went live early November, an airdrop to the VVS community is part of our intention to build goodwill with the most prominent protocol on Kronos. Recognize the conviction belief towards Kronos so far. Read on to find out more about the airdrop details and the snapshot. Let's read on. Airdrop details. Token allocated. We got 500. What is this? 500 billion Tonic, I think, right? That's a million. That's a billion. 500 billion. That's a lot. Will be airdrop to Kronos addresses that hold VVS. Okay, very important. You need to have VVS on Kronos address. Further details on how the rest of Tonic tokens supply will be allocated. Okay, snapshot. All users wishing to participate in the airdrop must ensure they have satisfied eligibility criteria at the time. The snapshot taken a randomly generated timestamp on or after January 18, 2022. Exact block will be announced. Okay, so we have until January 18, like 3 weeks from now, to actually do the next steps in order to get an airdrop from Crypto.com. All eligible users will be able to redeem Tonic on February 14. That's nice by the Tectonic website. Eligibility. To be eligible for the airdrop, a Kronos address must satisfy at least one of the following criteria at the time of the snapshot. minimum VVS quantity held on a Kronos public address. Okay, 200,000 VVS. You think it's a lot? I'm gonna show you exactly how much is that. So basically we need 200,000 VVS. Okay, that's step one. Or stake it, not staking it, or stake on Crystal Farm. Okay, that's fine. The amount and eligibility, Crystal Farm glitter here. Okay, distribution. Airdrop will deploy the following. Eligible VVS token holders will receive a percentage share of the tonic allocated. This percentage for a given user will calculate as follow. Okay, all VVS platform addresses set out here will be excluded from the airdrop. You can click here and read. Link, of course, will be in the description. Token utility, so you can read about the token. But basically, wow, 0.1%. That's 500 billion. It's not a lot, but there's a lot of coins to be airdropped to VVS token holders, etc., etc. Let me show you exactly how much is 200,000. You go here, CoinGecko, first of all, VVS Finance, that's the ticker symbol. That's the price. Actually crashed so much than it started. You see here, it was, what was that? 80% down since it launched like a month ago. For me, I think it's a bet on VVS coin instead of just the airdrop, but because maybe a lot of people will like rush into VVS, which is now up 10% today. But if you click here, VVS, that's what I've done before, 200,000 VVS, that's all you need, $12.65. So put 12 bucks either in crypto.com wallet and move it to here. I haven't done it. I need to do it as well before the snapshot. Add Kronos, see Kronos chain right here to your MetaMask. You need to have some crypto.com for exchange, crypto coin for exchange, and then you can buy VVS basically on the Kronos exchange. It's pretty simple, and you can do so in here. Just go to the website vvs.finance and just buy tokens there or swap, but you need Kronos and crypto.com. But basically 12 bucks would get you an airdrop. As I mentioned, not a financial advice, and I think this will pump in the next 3 weeks, which could be more than the airdrop will be worth, but you know, crazier things have happened, so who knows. And basically, if you like everything and you want to support this channel, there's a link to Patreon below, plus all the links in here, and I will see you guys probably in the next one. That's my plan. So yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.